Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, a Public Services Librarian here in the library at Union University. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the BSOL Research Guide. In this tutorial, you will learn about research guides and how to use the BSOL Research Guide. Research guides are designed by librarians for each discipline and serve as a starting point for your research. They all have the same look and layout but are tailored to fit each discipline. The BSOL Research Guide is designed both for the program in general and for each concentration in the BSOL program. Let's start at the library's homepage at uu.edu/library. On the left side of the screen, there is a link for research guides. Click that link. You are taken to a page with a list of disciplines, but scroll down to BSOL. Click on BSOL and click again on Continuing Education/BSOL. You are now on the BSOL Research Guide. From this research guide, you will be able to search the catalog, find articles, and even get reference and citation help. On the Articles tab, you will see a list of databases. These databases are general databases, meaning they cover a broad range of topics that will help in your research. If you hover over the BSOL Concentrations tab, you will see a list of the BSOL concentrations. By choosing your concentration, you will get a list of databases that are subject databases, meaning they contain information specifically related to your concentration. On the Reference Resources tab, you have links to use to find helpful information on evaluating websites during your research. You also have a link to the Gale Virtual Reference Library, which is an electronic collection of reference books. The Citing Sources tab gives links for the citation manuals for both APA and Turabian citation styles. It is very helpful to have access to these handbooks, and the library has copies of these handbooks that you can check out or use in the library. There is also a link to Purdue OWL, a very helpful website that gives citation help and rules. The Books tab contains a search bar for you to search the catalog. Simply type in your search term in the search bar and hit Go. You will be taken to the library catalog where you can find both print books and e-books. Another research guide that is helpful for you to use is the Research Assistance Research Guide. Scroll down and choose Research from the list of research guides. Click on Research and then click on Research Assistance. This guide has information that will help you get started on writing and researching for a research paper. There is also more help about the different citation styles that you can find on the Citation Styles tab. The research guide for the BSOL program is a great starting point for your research. The BSOL Research Guide, along with the Research Assistance Guide, are structured to help you access and get connected to all sorts of information for your research and academic needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial.